Hello guys, it's me Jasper and I'm back for another tutorial on how to fold a pen. So yeah, first thing you do is you make the square base. So this is going to be my white side here. It's going to be my colored side here. And how you make the square base is you fold in half like this. This is a fast way of making the square base. So it's like this. Unfold. And this model isn't exactly advanced, but it's in the middle. Okay, now I'm going to fold this flap here to there. I would rate it easy. Well, it depends on how good you are, but I would say this is a pretty easy model. Now that it's like this, I'm going to look at the closed flap. It's my open flap here. See how it opens it? This is my closed edge. I'm going to fold the closed edge down along that crease. Just like that. So it's like this. I'm going to turn on this side, and I'm going to do the same. So this side has this flap, and I'm going to turn around and fold this flap here along that crease. Now this is a little tricky, but it isn't too tricky. I think you should be able to do it. So what we're going to do is we're just going to, you see how, I'm going to turn this upside down. See how I have like this big pocket at the bottom here? It could also be a pyramid that doesn't stand up, but it's this big pocket. It's like a cup, and it was like this. So it's like this. Oops, I just made it. But you'll notice this is my pocket. Here, I'm going to open it all the way and squash it. And this is the square base. I'm going to make the pen. It's just really simple. Take the closed tip and the open tip. This is open side. I'm just going to hold the open side on this side. I'm going to fold a point at that open tip. So that this tip here is like that, okay? So the tip is the open side. The open side is the tip. And do that on all 4 of the flaps. So we have to do this 3 more times. Like that, and then like that, and then like that. Oh, and turn it over and do it like that. So it's this. Going to go a little bit quicker. Okay, so now it should look like this. You'll notice this here has 2 flaps. Turn around. These here are 2 flaps, so it's like this. Refold these, and you're going to fold it like this. So I'm going to make a point right there on that crease. That edge, or crease, whatever one you want to follow. And do that on all 3 flaps. So repeat that. Like this. And again, turn it over and do this after the first one's done. Yeah, so this model is really, really easy. Especially if you're like new to folding, this model should be pretty simple. So now, it looks like this probably. So it's these 2 flaps and these 2 flaps. Okay, now we're just going to fold this flap here. Going to separate them like that. And now we're going to just look in here. See, this is empty, but this is not empty. not empty, empty, not empty. So I'm going to take this empty flap. I'm going to do a minor miracle fold. I'm going to fold this flap. So this is my empty side. See? I'm going to, it was like this. And I'm going to fold it. See these flaps? Opening it and just folding it over like that. So now it's almost seamless. And it's a diamond. Now I'll just flatten this. Now we're going to take the, this is kind of hard to tell, but you'll notice this tip here usually has a little bit of a hole at the top, or you can always tell by looking here. This is the side that's going down, so it's like this. This is the side that's the tip. Refold this, and this is the tip. That these were pointing down that way, so this is the top. And I want to fold this here so I get a point at the top. Watch. I'm going to go like this. This is my top. Fold it like that. So it's folding like that. So it's folding like this. It's folding along that crease right there. And again, do that on all three flaps. Oh, and by the way, this is a model I designed. Okay, now we just are going to do a half minor miracle fold. So it's halfway. Going to take the top like this. And there's your pen. Or your quiver. You can put some ink on this and write on the camera. Dun. And yeah. So that's how you make it. It can also be a top. Let's see if I can get. No, it doesn't work that well. Let me show this again. Oh, and also don't forget to subscribe to catch on to my other videos, which I'll be making probably soon. So yeah, I'm gonna make other cool videos like this. If you like this one, give it a like and subscribe. And for more videos like this. This is probably going to be one of my simplest videos, but just warning you, if you're going to do like one of those complex videos, it's going to be a lot difficult, but I'll try and explain it as well as I can. And without further ado, have a nice day. Goodbye.